Home's channel, unboxing and review video for Jaguar Sensor Tap.
Hello friends, we are back again with a new product. This time we will be unboxing and talking about the Jaguar Sensor Tap. So this is the box in which you get the sensor box tap. This is a sensor tap with hot and cold. It's a mixer series. You also get sensor tap with just the cold feature with a single option for connecting to your water inlet. So friends, let's unbox. This is the box in which you get another box. Here is the pamphlet or the manual which tells how this tap needs to be installed because it will have an electric connection. This particular model that we have purchased comes with a electric connector. There are other models that come as battery operated sensor taps. We will be talking about the battery operated sensor tap in the next video. I'm opening or unboxing the particular model that we have purchased. This is how the sensor tap looks. You would have seen this kind of sensor taps at airport and malls. We have purchased this specifically for our house. It is not a paid promotion. Jaguar is an excellent brand. Kohler doesn't come with this kind of sensor tap. They have a different kind of sensor tap. This is the pipe for attachment. These are the two pipes that will be connected for your hot and cold connection, and this will be connected to the machinery or the battery part of it. In this box we get this. So this will be connected with this, and this will go into the electric power supply. So you have to ensure that you have the power supply separately available for this tap. We have got it done before the installation. After the installation also we will show you how this tap works. So this is the main part which actually helps operate. So it gets connected this way. It says up. So this will be on the cold line, and then we will also be supplying the hot here, and these are the two that will get connected from here, and with this here we will be connecting. So these are the two connector wings. With this the sensor will work, and every time the sensor operates it gives a signal to this unit, and this will automatically keep turning on and switching off the water supply. So this is the complete unboxing of the sensor tap for Jaguar. Thank you friends for watching. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing.